As me say, man, me just hope so you can find it in your heart for you. You know, forgive me for acting like a real idiot. Because you have to understand, say, a whole lot of things that come at me at once. You know, so me they just have to kind of sort them out in my head. You understand?
And it took you 3 days. No texts, no phone calls.
Like me did say, baby, me did really need a minute. Too many things did come at me at once. Me have to just time out and sort it out.
Okay. I respect your decision. So now that you have gotten your minute, what's next?
Well, I'm just hoping we can move on.
George, my biggest pet peeve as an independent woman is to be treated like a regular gal out the road with absolutely no respect. So, way forward, I am advising you, I'm not going to ask you. Please don't let we have a repeat of that.
And that you have my absolute word and promise. And just so you know, baby, I have never and will never see you in that light. Okay? However, still have a request.
Go ahead.
Here, so right now, I think it to the best if you put some space between me and Marcus. Yeah, I think me have a comfortable with you in the same, space within such close proximity on a day-to-day basis.
You're realizing you're speaking about my job here? That is a difficult request.
Colleen, me know why you have no doubts that me will take care of you, and treat you like the queen you deserve to be treated like.
But are you aware that that would be challenging my independence?
Well, you just consider it a temporary situation until we figure something else out. Maybe we can start a business or something for yourself.
George, do you know the reason I live the way I live? It's because I have to be in control. Of course, I could have been living in a lavish apartment, but I'm sure it wouldn't be in my name. What does that say? I would not be in control. For me to give up my independence and wait until things are okay, that's a long stretch for me, George. I would prefer continue working, starting the business, and then transitioning. Thanks, but no thanks.
Carlene, you have no idea what you do a while ago. I applaud that level of resolve. I applaud your need and your crave for your own independence, girl. And guess what? It shall be as you wish. Transition, it will be.
Thank you, George. That means so much to me.
You are so welcome, my dear. Every time, anytime, all the time. Wait, before that, my fault.